Every day the sun rises, a magnificent spectacle of light and color, unfolding with unwavering certainty. There's no hesitation, no doubt in its ascent. It's a constant, a promise. That sunrise is your daily gift, a fresh start handed to you on a silver platter. It's an opportunity to begin again, to rewrite the narrative, to chase dreams with renewed vigor. Too many people hit snooze, succumbing to the allure of fleeting comfort. They're pushing back their own potential, delaying the inevitable, and sacrificing precious moments of productivity and peace. The morning isn't just a time, it's your reset button, your chance to recalibrate and refocus. The first moments set the tone for everything that follows. Your mood, influencing how you perceive the world and interact with others. Your energy, fueling your body and mind for the challenges ahead. Your interactions, shaping the connections you forge and the impact you have on those around you. If you start with chaos, a whirlwind of disorganization and stress, you invite chaos into every aspect of your day. But if you start with intention, with a clear plan and a sense of purpose, you build a foundation for success, brick by brick. Think of your morning as your launch pad, the platform from which you propel yourself towards your goals. Would you start a journey with an empty tank, knowing you wouldn't get far? No. Prepare yourself. Fill your spiritual tank with mindfulness and gratitude, clear your mind of distractions and anxieties, and set your direction with unwavering resolve. That alarm clock? It's not your enemy, it's your starting gun, signaling the beginning of a new race, a new opportunity. The choice is yours. Stumble out of bed, disoriented and unprepared, or launch into your day with purpose, armed with intention, and ready to conquer. The moment you open your eyes, you can claim victory, setting the stage for a day of accomplishment and fulfillment. You're not here to just survive the day, you're here to own it, to seize every opportunity and make your mark on the world. You are the CEO of your life, the ultimate decision maker, and the morning is your first board meeting, where you set the agenda and chart the course for the day ahead. Show up prepared, equipped with the tools and mindset you need to succeed. Make your morning your secret weapon, the catalyst that transforms ordinary days into extraordinary achievements. The best fuel isn't coffee, it's faith. Before you check your phone, connect with something bigger than your worries. For some, that's prayer. For others, it's reading something uplifting or sitting in gratitude. Take 5 minutes, reflect, meditate, or read something positive. What you feed your mind in the morning shapes your whole day. Start with hope, not headlines. I knew a man who started each day listing 3 things he was grateful for. It shifted his focus from stress to strength. Find your own ritual, just 5 minutes to ground yourself. You're telling yourself, my peace comes from within, not from circumstances. Plug into your power source. When you start full, your light can't be dimmed. Begin your day anchored, not anxious. That's the first step to a powerful day. With your spirit fueled and your body awakened, sharpen your mind. Prepare for the day's challenges with a clear and focused intellect. Don't drift aimlessly through your day. Drive it with purpose and intention. Take control of your schedule and steer yourself towards success. Take a few minutes, even just 5, to thoughtfully set your top 3 priorities for the day. What absolutely get done? Write them down clearly and concisely. Make your mission for the day crystal clear. This list is your North Star, guiding you through the inevitable storms of the workday. When distractions inevitably come knocking, check your list, realign your focus, and gently redirect your attention back to what truly matters. Protect your focus fiercely. Avoid the siren song of social media, the constant barrage of news, and the endless stream of email for at least the first hour of your day. Give your best energy, your sharpest thinking, and your most productive hours to your own goals and aspirations, not to fulfilling someone else's agenda or reacting to their demands. I met an entrepreneur who made it a non-negotiable rule to keep her phone physically away, out of sight, for the first hour of her day. She meditated to center herself, and then tackled her single most important task with unwavering focus. That single, focused hour consistently became her most productive time, building incredible momentum and setting a positive tone for the rest of the day. Focus is your superpower in this age of distraction. Guard it fiercely and protect it at all costs. Start your day with intention, with a clear plan, and with proactive action, not with reactive responses to external stimuli. Your level of focus and intention in the morning directly determines the quality of your daily results. Win the day before it even officially starts by setting yourself up for success. Make your first hour count and watch the rest of your day fall into place. Let's talk about building unshakable confidence. It all starts with a simple yet powerful ritual. your morning mirror moment. After brushing your teeth, take a moment. Really look yourself in the eye. Connect with the person staring back at you. And then, speak victory over your life, declare it. Say it loud, say it proud. You are strong, affirm it with conviction. You are capable, believe it in your heart. You are destined for greatness. Now, I know what you might be thinking. It might feel awkward, even a little silly at first. But trust me on this, your words have power. Use them deliberately, use them consistently to build yourself up. Confidence isn't some magical gift. It grows from small wins, from consistent effort. Make your bed, accomplishing that first task of the day. Drink water, nourishing your body and mind. Keep a promise to yourself, no matter how small. Each small victory, each promise kept, is a building block in the foundation of your confidence. Like a muscle, confidence grows stronger with every rep. Every positive word spoken, every completed task checked off your list. I remember someone who was absolutely terrified of public speaking. She started small, with simple mirror affirmations and tiny practice steps in the privacy of her own home. And you know what? Those small wins, those consistent efforts, gradually built her confidence. Until eventually, she could stand tall and speak confidently before a large crowd. So start with one win, celebrate that small victory, then chase another and another, stack your victories high, commit to building your confidence brick by brick, every single morning. Your mirror moment isn't just a routine, it's your launchpad to a day filled with confidence and success. You know the secrets: faith, focus, confidence. Now act, prepare for tomorrow tonight, lay out clothes, set your priorities, clear your space. This simple prep removes friction and lets you wake up ready. Don't try to change everything at once. Pick one habit for tomorrow: gratitude, goals, or your mirror moment. Start small, build consistency. Real change is a series of small, steady steps. Win your morning, win your day, win your day, win your week. Win your week, change your life. It all starts with that first hour. Don't hit snooze on your destiny. Get up, fuel your faith, sharpen your focus, build your confidence. Your best day is waiting. Wake up and claim it. Now go get it.